administrators, dear teachers, and to the proud parents and to the beloved guests, and to my fellow students. A pleasant day to everyone. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives. After so many years of hard work and sleepless nights, countless tests and unforgettable memories, we are finally here, standing on the edge of a new beginning. Looking back, our journey to high school was not always easy. We faced many challenges that tested our patience, our determination and strength. There are moments of doubts, times when we felt exhausted, and even moments when we felt about giving up. But despite it all, we chose to keep moving forward. And today, we are finally reaping the rewards of our efforts. To our dear teachers, thank you for your guidance, patience, and dedication. You did more than just teach us lessons. You inspired us to believe and help us shape who we are today. We are truly grateful for everything you have done. To our parents and families, words are not enough to express our gratitude. Thank you for your unconditional love, sacrifices, and endless support. You stood by us in our lowest moments and celebrated with us in our victories. This achievement is not only ours, but it is also yours. To my fellow graduates, we made it through all the ups and downs. We stood strong together. We shared laughter, stress, and memories that we will carry for the rest of our lives. As we move forward today, let us step into the future with confidence and purpose. Let us carry with us the values we have learned. Humility, honesty, wisdom, dignity, and responsibility. And let us not be afraid to fail because failure is not the end, but only a stepping stone toward success. This is not the end of our story, it is only the beginning. Once again, congratulations to the class of 2026. May we continue to grow, succeed, and inspire others. Thank you and congratulations to us all.